Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. My name is Alex Bourne and this is my channel Born to Drive. Behind me is my M140i. I'll get a bit more into the car a bit later on in the video and I'll show you a bit more about it, but there is a special little parcel in the passenger seat in there at the moment. So yeah, what's going to be happening in this episode I'll show you now. Hello Harry.
Yeah.
At this point in the video as well, if you do have an idea what you think is being done to the car today, go down to the comments now. Don't cheat, go down to the comments now and put down there what you think we're doing, and then come back at the end of the video and see if you were right. There's a little snippet there. I'm not going to put the name in it because it'll just give it away straight away, but yeah, massive shout out to them as well. I'll give them a shout out a bit later, but yeah, this should sound absolutely epic. Extremely excited. I've just turned up at Harry's. I did tell him he's going to be on camera. So, say hello Harry.
Yeah.
Yeah, basically I said that Harry was going to be helping me, but I'm pretty much just going to get him to try and do the majority of it for me, because you're better with cars than I am, aren't you?
Obviously.
And I've just turned up and I have lost a wing mirror cover. So, anyone that knows me knows that I have a sponsor, which is Auto ID anyway. So if you're watching this before I've messaged you, Auto ID, then I need a new one. So I'm probably going to go for the full replacement mirror things because it's just a load of bollocks. But yeah, I did see something fly off on the way here when I was going 60. But yeah, it was the mirror. So, oh well. Without further ado as well, so I have, oh, hide the address, but basically it's an MST performance intake. As I said earlier on in the video, like, I'm not doing this for power, I'm just doing it for sound, because my girlfriend's just got a Mini Cooper S and it makes all the tushy noises and this doesn't. So I messaged MST and yeah, they've managed to sort me out. It's like a complete kit in here. You've got like the air filter and like you've got this like shroud and stuff. I'll show you how it all works in a minute when it's actually in the engine bay. But it's not just a filter, because there's a lot of them on the market which is literally just one of these, and obviously heat soak and stuff in these engines is a big factor because they're 3 litre, they run quite hot anyway. I think they run hotter than like 2 litres or whatever, but yeah, see how it goes. So first things first, obviously, pop the bonnet. Also, do not take this as an installation video, because we both do not have a clue what we're doing. So obviously, what's coming out, all of this here is coming out. I've got to take off some stuff down there. And then, yeah, basically all of this side. So I don't know how easy it's going to be, but we'll give it a go. I'll let you know if it's difficult or not, because you'll be hearing me swear on the camera. But yeah.
How not to install an MST.
Oh, that's what I'm thinking I'm going to name this, is how not to install an MST intake. So yeah, this is the first bit that needs to be unscrewed slightly. Then I take it, this box just needs to be completely popped off. I think that's, yeah, you've only got 1, 2, 3 to pop off. I'll need to do that as well. And you need to take this sensor off. Take that off. Next you've got this big old boxy thing. I think, oh, fucking hell. I think this just rips out. Does this just rip out? I'm pretty sure it does. Yeah. Oh, there we go. So it's not actually that hard. This just literally rips straight out. Oh yeah, and if you haven't seen an M140i turbo before, it is here. So this is what the twin scroll looks like. I'm not actually too sure how the twin scroll works. What do you reckon? It's like the first part like up here. Because obviously there's 2 turbines, isn't there?
One end sucks the air in.
Oh yeah, this is one that everyone said was awkward. So you've got another screw down the bottom here, but you've got to have, this is when this comes in handy, because if you don't have one of these, you're not going to get a screwdriver in that little gap down there to be able to get it off, or maybe you just have a little bolt thing. I don't really know what I'm going on about, if I'm honest, but yeah, you can use something down there. What do you reckon?
Yeah, boy.
I dread to think what you're going to put on that.
So in the box, oh, that's not gone well, has it? In the box, you've got this shroud here, which goes there, I'm pretty sure. Like that. No, but this goes somewhere around here, basically. And the reason why I messaged them about this filter instead is because it has all the protective bits on it for heat soak. So you've got the main part here, and then you've got, this is the little clamp. So this clamp goes where we're going to be taking that one off in a minute. Oh god.
Sensor housing.
Sensor housing there, filter there. Oh, they were kind enough as well to chuck in a couple little bits like sticker, air freshener. There's something else in it somewhere as well, but I don't know where that's gone. At the bottom as well. Oh, bloody hell, it's not going well, is it? Do you want to hold it? Basically, we've got top plate. So the way that the intake works is that you've got these that sit here like that, and then obviously once this is all enclosed, it should mean that you're not going to get any heat soak, because as I say, there's quite a lot of other companies that do intakes like this, but normally it's just literally the cone. Oh, it's normally just the cone that's exposed like that, and obviously you've just stuck your phone down there to try to take a picture of what was on there, and it's boiling. So the heat soak would just be absolutely ridiculous. As I say, like, I thought this was going to be pretty difficult, to be fair. I'm not going to say anything, I'm going to touch some wood in a minute, because otherwise it's going to go completely wrong. But it seems pretty simple, but I'll update in a minute once we've got this little bit off. Oh, there we go.
Just needed a bit of grip.
A grip. Just needs a bit of gripper on it.
Oh no, not a big again. You?
You?
A few moments later.
You can do, with this, you can do that 3 hours later.
Oh god. Did that get it?
I don't think so.
So, just like that, in a blink of an eye, it's all done. The actual system itself isn't too hard to install. So this is what it looks like without the top cover on it. The most fiddly bit is right down here. Originally, obviously, it's facing this way. So once you've taken it off and stuff, you can move that round, and obviously there is still enough room here for you to just use like a little ratchet like that. So I think we're just going to stick the top cover on quickly, which is there. Oh, so that will just sit on there somewhere like that, and then we'll take it out for a drive, because we're not going to pop and bang it round here, because Harry's only just moved in and we don't want the neighbours to get aggy with him already. But yeah, we'll pop this on, and then I think we'll go down the road and we will do some pulls.
Yeah, boy.
I don't know if I was...
Oh my god, that noise! Oh. That noise. What the fuck is that? Yeah, intake noise is definitely a lot more when driving, isn't it? The engine sound is, yeah. So we just popped to go get a McDonald's as well, and I've just popped into one of my mates, which I'm going to be doing a video with pretty soon. So I'm just going to sneak the camera in and show him. Where is he?
Hello, buddy.
There he is.
I'm swearing, so this can't go on the YouTube
It
channel.
can, I'll bleep it.
I've just finished my KFC.
What's going on?
Mate. We just put a full system on the S5.
Oh,
Yeah.
can I hear it?
I'm sure man. Want to take this one as well?
Solid.
Sounds sick. Proper mad. I'll get out.
Come on, Max, what is it? Talk to us. Sell your exhaust, come on.
It's a Massini full titanium valve system.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sell it.
Car.
So I'm actually going to be doing a video of Max pretty soon anyway. He's done quite a few cars now, so him and his business partner, I think we're going to be doing a video of them over the sort of upcoming weeks / months when we can. Max, I was just saying we're going to do a video when we can with all the other cars.
Yeah.
So sell it.
Sure,
Sell it.
So basically, we're going to get a 140 system on here, full titanium, sack off all the other 5 systems he's put on there, and there'll be another exhaust video.
But yeah, sort of what's been done to this? Is it full catback?
Full titanium, including frontals. So the whole underneath the car is titanium.
And tips look savage as well.
The burn 4-inch titanium GTR style tips on there. So yeah, full catback in titanium, including the frontals, so it deletes the secondaries. Still got the primaries in there, because as we found, it's like an engine out job on an S5 to do primary decap.
It's loud enough though.
But you've got the valve
Very
in there
loud.
as well.
You seem very happy as well.
Yeah, insane.
No, it sounds good. But yeah, we'll do a video of you soon anyway.
Yes.
And we'll get the rest of the cars you've done on here, because the other ones sound pretty savage as well, don't they?
There's a few systems knocking about on a few
But
cars.
yeah, we might whack one on this. I'm not too sure yet.
We've got one in to go on, buddy.
Oh, don't tempt me. But yeah, we'll do a video of these two soon. We'll get the rest of the cars they've sort of got, and they've done exhausts on. But yeah,
By
sounds
the way,
savage.
this was very unexpected and
Yeah, I
spontaneous.
just fucking.
I didn't think I was going to see Alex, so I wasn't prepared. I haven't shaven my beard or anything. A bit rough around the edges.
But yeah, as I say, we'll do a video of them soon. Maybe put an exhaust on this. I'm not sure yet. I've only just put one on here, but we'll see.
Sure. You'll see the 140 and it's going on. It's going on there.
Yeah, it's going on, is it?
It definitely is. Do you want to give them some pull-offs or something? Yeah.
That is absolutely savage. I just want to say a massive thank you to MST. They've sorted me out completely with this video. I love the intake. Yeah, just absolutely brilliant. Massive thank you to everyone who's watched today's video as well. If you are enjoying the content that I'm bringing out at the moment, please make sure you go and subscribe, like and comment. Any shares on the video are much appreciated as well. Obviously feedback on the videos is perfect for me, because I'd like to know what you guys want to watch. But yeah, mainly I just enjoy doing the videos, so hopefully when COVID has all sort of gone away, I can get out and get on some videos of some pretty cool cars. But yeah, until then, see you soon.